Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to send files from your Android TV to your Android phone or from your Android phone to your Android TV using the Send Files to TV application. This is going to be a quite interesting guide or full tutorial, so please make sure to like, subscribe and share if you can, so that you encourage us to create more videos like this on YouTube. So that's it, let's get started. In this video, I am using two devices that are going to be important for this video. I'm using my Android phone and my Android TV box. So this is my Android TV box and this is my Android phone. So we're going to be following every step that we need on both our Android TV box or Android TV and also our phone. So this tutorial, this steps I'm about to show you are going to work on any Android TV device. That means Android TV normally, or Android TV box, or Google TV. So all of these are going to have literally the same process. So let's get started. The very first thing we need to do on both our devices for this to work is for us to install the application we are going to be using. So to send files to TV using the Send Files to TV application, we need that app on our Android TV and also our Android phone. So I'm going to start by installing it to our Android TV. So all you do is go over to your Google Play Store on your Android TV. If you do not have Google Play Store, then you can use your browser like me. So I go over to my browser and I search for the application, which is Send Files to TV. So I'm going to type in the name of the application, Send Files to TV. You can type it all out, or you can just use the suggestion over here, Send Files to TV. So here's it. Now once you search for the application for the very first time, you're going to see this option and click on it. Once you do that, you will be prompted. Please, before I even get here, you can clearly see that there are lots of other suggestions. There is this, there are more, but please, the most trusted one is this one from Google Play Store with more than 89,000 reviews. So make sure that you're choosing the right application, please. So click on it, and if it's your first time, you're going to be prompted to log into your Google account, which is very simple. Just click on login, and once you're done logging in, click install, and the application is going to be installed to your Android TV. It's not that heavy. It's not going to take a lot of time, and also it just depends on your internet speed. So once the application has been installed on your Android TV, you can then return home to make sure that the application has been installed. So for instance, if I return over to my apps section over here, I believe I'll be able to see the app somewhere. Here's it over here. So here's it, Send Files to TV. So once we're done installing the application on our TV, we need to install it on our Android phone. So go back to your Android phone and click on search on your Google Play Store. So I'm going to search Send Files to TV. So here's it over here. Click on it and we are going to install the application from here. So just click install and you're going to get the application installed to your Android phone. So just wait for it to completely install, and then I will show you what next to do once you have the application installed on both of your devices. So alright, so here's the application installing to my phone. Once you're done installing, we are going to launch it and then use it. So once installed, my phone is just going to run some checks, and once that's okay, and then move ahead. So all of that is okay, then you can go ahead and open the application. But let's start by opening on our Android TV. Once opening on our Android TV, we're going to get some little instructions. You can read them out. That just let you know that you have installed the application on both of your devices, which you've already done, and that both of our devices need to be connected to the same network. So once you're here, you see the transfer series is running in the background. So the application is already good on our Android TV. But if you're not so sure, you can always click on the settings to look at all the settings that you might be interested in. So the first setting is the name of application or name of your Android TV, which you can change if you want. And the next one, which is also important, is where your files are going to be sent once you transfer them. So you can check out those little instructions. Also, you can say accept incoming transfer from other devices. This is very important. This needs to be turned on. I just turned it off. So let me go back. This has to be turned on. If this is not turned on, you won't be able to receive files. So once that is done, just return and open the application on your Android TV or your Android phone. Sorry. Once you come over here, you need to make sure that this device has all the permission that it needs to work. That means that you're going to go back to your permission if it doesn't have the right permissions to work. So for instance, go over to allow access to files and make sure that this is on allow. This is very important. If this is not allowed, you might not be able to install applications or to send files. So once all of that is good, you can click on send files over here, and then you're going to be asked to prompt to allow certain permissions. I'll show you the permissions that you need to allow. Go back to your click on OK. The very first one is a notification. You need to make sure that all your notifications are turned on for this application for it to completely work, and then click on add permissions and click on photos and videos. Make sure that this is turned on, and then are good to go. Even music and audio, if you want to transfer that also, you should turn that on, and also these nearby devices allow, and then you're good to go. So once all these permissions are turned on, I believe we are good to go. And just go ahead, you can look at other permissions also. But everything we need this for now. If we need, will be redirected back. So once all of that is good, you are then good to go. Come here, then click on send, and then you're going to choose the file you want to send to your TV. So I'm just going to choose a random file from my storage. So let's say, for instance, I want to send okay, I want to take something that is not going to weigh. So this is an image. It's a random image. So I'm just going to click on OK and choose the device I want to send to, which is my TV as I showed you earlier. Click on it, and then I'll click receive, and that's just it. The file has been received already on my TV, and you can see I can open it over here. As I said, it was just a random file I picked from my downloader on my storage. That's how to send files from phone to TV. Now, one thing I didn't mention earlier is that, which is very important, is that before you transfer files, you need to make sure that both of your devices need to be connected to the same network. So as you can see, this is home, this is Dave home network over there, and same thing over here. Both of your devices must be connected to the same network. So you can see it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network like my phone, and that's why it works smoothly.